ኦኬ ዌልካም እንኳን በሰላም መጣችሁ። ዛሬ ዲስከስ የምናደርገው አዲስ ኮርስ ይሆናል። ፋይናንሻል ኮስት እንደ ማኔጅመንት አካውንቲንግ ዋን ይሆናል። ሶ ኮስት እንደ ማኔጅመንት አካውንቲንግ በዚህ ኮርስ ቤዚክ የሆኑ የኮስት አካውንቲንግ እና የማኔጅመንት አካውንቲንግ ኮንሰፕቶችን ዲስከስ የምናደርግ ይሆናል። ስለዚህ ከአንደኛው ቻፕተር እንጀምራለን። ሶ የመጀመሪያ ቻፕተራችን ኢንትሮዳክሽን ቱ ኮስት እንደ ማናጅመንት አካውንቲንግ። ሶ በዚህ ቻፕተር ዲስከስ የምናደርገው ስታርቲንግ ፍሮም አካውንቲንግ፣ ከአካውንቲንግ ጀምረን አካውንቲንግ ምንድን ነው፣ ዋት ኢስ ኮስት አካውንቲንግ፣ ዋት አር ዲፈረንት ስፔሻላይዜሽን ኤሪያ ኦፍ አካውንቲንግ። ቤዚካሊ ብዙ ስፔሻላይዜሽን ኤሪያዎች አሉ። ሶ እነዛን ዲስከስ እናደርጋለን። ስፔሲፊካሊ ኮስት አካውንቲንግ ምንድን ነው፣ ፋይናንሻል አካውንቲንግ ምንድን ነው፣ ማኔጅመንት አካውንቲንግ ምንድን ነው፣ እንደ ኦልሶ ዲስከስ የምናደርገው ዘ ዲፍረንስ ቢትዊን ዞስ ታይፕስ ኦፍ አካውንቲንግ። ሶ የነዚህ የአካውንቲንግ ስፔሻላይዜሽን ኤሪያዎች ዲስከስ የምናደርግ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሶ ቱ ስታርት ዊዝ what mean by accounting. So before we define accounting, let us discuss what is the purpose of accounting. So የአካውንቲንግ ፐርፐስ ዋናው ፐርፐስ ምንድን ነው የሚለውን ዲስከስ በማድረግ እንጀምራለን። ቤዚካሊ what is the purpose of accounting. So basically, accounting referred as a language of business which provides much of that necessary information. So accounting is a language of business ይባላል። ስለዚህ basically why it is called language of business. Language ስንል it's a means of communication. So a means of communication ስንል basically አንድ ግለሰብ ከሌላ ግለሰብ ጋር የሚግባባበት ነው ላንጉጅ የምንለው። ሶ ጀስት ላይክ ዛት ካምፓኒዎች የሚግባቡበት ቋንቋ ኢትስ ሲምፕሊ አካውንቲንግ ኢንፎርሜሽን። ሶ አካውንቲንግ ኢንፎርሜሽን ኢዝ ቬሪ ኢምፖርታንት ፎር ዘ ካምፓኒስ ቱ ኮሚኒኬት ዊዝ አዘር ካምፓኒስ፣ ቱ ኮሚኒኬት ዊዝ ኢንቨስተር፣ ቱ ኮሚኒኬት ዊዝ ክሬዲተርስ። ከአበዳሪዎች አሉ፣ ሰፕላየሮች አሉ፣ ኢንቨስተሮች አሉ፣ የካምፓኒ ሰራተኞች አሉ። እነዚህ ሰዎች የሚግባቡት they are simply using accounting information. so accounting information በመጠቀም ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ information is simply the most valuable resources in particular company. so አንድ ካምፓኒ ውስጥ information is simply the most useful resources because ይህንን ኢንፎርሜሽን ተጠቅሞ they can maximize their company well-being basically. so የካምፓኒውን well-being መጨመር ይችላሉ። ስለዚህ it is very important for particular companies. so basically company spends a great deal efforts, time, monies on making right information available to the right person to make the right decision which initiates the right action. so basically as you understand from this ከዚህ አንደርስታንድ እንደምታደርጉት ቤዚካሊ አንድን ኢንፎርሜሽን ለማዘጋጀት ጊዜ ይፈልጋል። there's a great deal of effort, time and money basically. so ይህንን ኢንፎርሜሽን ያ ማለት ዳታውን ወደ ኢንፎርሜሽን ከተቀየረ በኋላ this information which is the right information and the useful information. so ኢንፎርሜሽኑ right information and also it should be useful, በጣም ጠቃሚ የሆነ ኢንፎርሜሽን መሆን አለበት። so this information is provided for the right person, ለትክክለኛው ሰው መቅረብ አለበት። then this information helps for the right decision. so ተገቢ የሆነ ትክክለኛ ውሳኔዎችን ለመውሰድ ኢንፎርሜሽኑን ቤዝ እናደርጋለን ኦር እንጠቀማለን ነው basically. so this decision head us to the right action. so ትክክለኛ ውሳኔ ከወሰድን that takes us to the right action ትክክለኛ ስትራቴጂ እና or action እንድንወስድ ይረዳናል ማለት ነው። so that's simply the point. So the next issue simply why information is required by particular managers or particular individuals. so በሰዎች ለምን ኢንፎርሜሽን ይፈለጋል ነው። so መረጃ ምንድነው ፐርፐሱ የሚለው basically the first one is planning purpose. so if you have enough information it help us improving the planning our planning process. so plan የምናደርግበት way improve እንድናደርግ የሚረዳን ይሆናል basically. so planning እቅድ ስናወጣ እቅዳችን that means planning the future. so future consequences plan ለማድረግ so which is simply future-ን plan ማድረግ ማለት basically in other we can say reducing uncertainties. so uncertain ነው future is. so ይሄንን uncertainty ለመቀነስ ይረዳናል ማለት ነው። the second one is information የሚጠቅመን for documentation purpose ነው basically. that means simply what is past የሚለውን ዶክመንት ለማድረግ that means what was happened, what has happened, what has been done in the past simply ኢንፎርሜሽኑን ሰመራይዝ ተደርጎ መቀመጥ አለበት ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ for documenting purpose it is going to be a referencing point. so referencing point እንዲሆን መረጃው መቀመጥ አለበት ማለት ነው። so that's the point. the next one is for decision making. basically decision is simply based on the reliable and the relevant information. so decision or ውሳኔያችን ምን ላይ ነው ዲፔንድ የሚሆነው it depend on an information. ስለዚህ information is very important for a decision making. the last one is it helps for monitoring and providing a feedback. so that's simply why information is very important. the next issue is simply ወደ ኢንፎርሜሽን ስንመጣ basically information basically we can take qualitative information qualitative ሊሆን ይችላል or it may be quantitative. so qualitative ነው ስንል basically that information is expressed in words basically. so it's a description of something. so የሆነ ነገር describe ተደርጎ or ማብራሪያ የተሰጠበት without using any number and the like basically. so simply we can describe through using words or descriptive words basically. quantitative ላይ ስንመጣ ግን it's more objective ነው። ያ ማለት ዳታዎችን በመጠቀም especially numerical ዳታዎችን or ዳታዎቹ qualitative ቢሆኑም will try to convert that data to numerical or quantitative quantify ለማድረግ ሞክረን ፕሮዲውስ የምናደርገው ኢንፎርሜሽን ኳንቲቴቲቭ እንላለን ማለት ነው። so that's simply more objective information ነው። so this qualitative information may be financial ሊሆን ይችላል or non financial ሊሆን ይችላል። so financial ነው ስንል basically the information is related to the finance. so ስለ finance which is investment, which is capital structure, investment decision, dividend and the like. so ፋይናንስ ኢሹዎችን የያዘ ይሆናል። ነን ፋይናንሻል የምንለው basically it's not most related to the finances ከፋይናንስ ጋር የማይገናኝ ለምሳሌ ማርኬቲንግ ኢንፎርሜሽን it may be human resource information which is employee performance, advertisement effectiveness, it may be production ወደ ፕሮዳክሽንም ስንመጣ some information may not financial ለምሳሌ defective rate ምናምን ስንል that may be not financial data basically. so ስለዚህ financial data non financial data የምንለው ያ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። so when we come to the definition of accounting is simply it's a system or it is an information system. so accounting is basically it's an information system that records, analyze, report basically. first recording አለ recording data. after we record data we'll sort, classify and organize and finally we'll analyze the data. so data analyze እናደርጋለን. after we analyze the data it's going to be reported or summarized to information and reported for the users basically. So እነዚህ ዳታዎች ሰመራይዝ የሚደረጉ ዳታዎች they are simply accounting ውስጥ mostly they are concerned on business transaction or they are primarily focused on financial activities or business data or economic data basically. So basically after we analyze that data we are going to report for the users. So ለዩዘሮች እናቀርባለን። So this user may be internal user or external user. So internal user የምንላቸው ካምፓኒ ውስጥ ተቀምጠው የዛን ካምፓኒ ኢንፎርሜሽን የሚፈልጉ ለምሳሌ ማኔጅመንቱ ሊሆን ይችላል ኦር መደበኛ ሰራተኞች ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ። አውትሳይድ የምንላቸው ከካምፓኒ ውጪ ሆነው but they are stakeholder of that companies. So ስለ ካምፓኒው የሚመለከታቸው አካላቶች ለምሳሌ ኢንቨስተር that is existing investor ሊሆን ይችላል፣ potential investor ሊሆን ይችላል። So the other shareholders, creditors እንደዚህ ላይ So basically this is the definition of accounting basically. What is the function of accounting? The next issue is simply what are the function of accounting. So basically accounting has different functions. The first one is simply, as I have said before, providing information. So መረጃን አዘጋጅቶ ያንን መረጃ ለተለያዩ ዩዘሮች መስጠት ይሆናል። that external parties or internal parties such as stakeholders, creditor, regulatory bodies and the like. The second one is it helps for estimating the cost of products basically or the service provided, cost of service basically. So that's also very important. It also provide information for internal managers. So basically ለማኔጅመንቱ ዳታን ኢንፎርሜሽንን ፕሮቫይድ ያደርጋል። So management need information for planning purpose እቅድ ለማውጣት for controlling አጠቃላይ ቢዝነሱን ኮንትሮል ለማድረግ or ኦፕሬሽኑን ኮንትሮል ለማድረግ or it may be for decision making which is maybe daily decision or strategic decision ምንላቸው እነዛን ለመውሰድ accounting information የሚጠቀመው ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So the next one is simply different specialization of accounting. So የተለያዩ ኢንፎርሜሽን ኒድስ አለ። So እነዚህ የተለያዩ ኢንፎርሜሽን ኒድ ፉልፊል የሚደረገው በተለያዩ የአካውንቲንግ specialization areas ናቸው። The first specialization area is simply the first one is financial accounting. Financial accounting ይሆናል። Financial accounting is designed to meet external information needs which comply with IFRS basically. So ያ ማለት ፋይናንሻል አካውንቲንግ ሞር ፎከስ የሚያደርገው ከካምፓኒ ውጭ ላሉ ዩዘሮች ነው basically, which is providing financial statement for external parties which is investor, creditors, government and the like. So እነዚህ አካውንታንቶች they use IFRS or they should comply with IFRS when preparing an accounting information. So accounting information prepare ሲያደርጉ በዛ ኮምፕላይ መሆን አለባቸው basically. So financial accounting is more depend or focused on preparation of financial reports or preparing information for external parties basically. The second one is managerial accounting basically. Managerial accounting or management accounting የምንለው it is a process of identifying, measuring, analyzing and communicating financial information needed by the management to plan, to control, evaluate the company operation. So basically this is mostly the management function ያ ማለት which is planning አለ፣ controlling አለ፣ evaluating አለ። so ለነዚህ ፐርፐስ የሚፈልገው ኢንፎርሜሽን ፕሮቫይድ የሚያደርገው ማኔጀሪያል አካውንቲንግ ይሆናል basically. So that is what mean by management accounting. So next time we'll differentiate financial accounting, management accounting, and cost accounting. So this is all about today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.